Hey guys, so wanna win sugar products worth rupees 2000? Well, then you have to watch this video till the end to know about it.
Hey everyone, this is Sohini Chanda and welcome to the channel. Today I am going to create 5-minute contour plus highlight makeup look. Starting with the primer, I'm using the Aquaholic primer. It gives good hydration and moisturization to the skin. Next I'm using the face forward contour stick and I'm going to apply it on my cheekbones, forehead, nose, jawline and also around the lip. Now I am using the Magic Wand concealer in the shade Brave, which is number 40, which is very close to my skin tone. I'm going to apply it under my eyes, little bit on my nose, my forehead and also on my chin. So at first I'm going to blend my contour and then I will move on. So you can use a makeup sponge or a brush, whatever you feel like you can use it. I'm using a brush to blend out my contour. After blending the contour, I will blend my concealer with another brush. All the products will be mentioned down below. Do not forget to check it out. Now I'm moving on to a highlighting concealer. The shade I'm using is number 30. I'm going to apply it on my under eyes, nose, chin and forehead and again blending it very nicely. It's time for baking and here I'm using the Set the Tone tinted powder. The shade number I'm using is number 10. While baking, I'm going to do my brows off camera and then I'm going to dust off the excess powder. For my eye makeup, I'm using the same contour stick, blending it on my crease and lower lash line with a blending brush. Now I'm taking the highlighter stick and I'm going to apply this on my highest points of my face, starting from my cheeks. I'm also applying it on my inner corners and also on my eyelid. Now I'm finishing off the eye look with some mascara and for my lipstick I went for the Metal Satin lipstick in the shade number 8. I'm going to apply a very little amount of the lipstick and that's it. That's the complete look. Hope you guys like it and if you did, give this video a big thumbs up and do subscribe to the channel. Thank you and I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Well, that's it for today. So guys, here's the time for the surprise. All you have to do is keep showering us with all your love by liking, subscribing, sharing and commenting on our channel, and we will pick a lucky winner every single week as the fan and you will be getting some exciting sugar products. So keep the comments and likes coming. Good luck!